Hello my friends! I'm happy to see you in my channel. I miss you so much. Long time I don't post new tutorials in my channel just because I'm trying to learn how to use flat brush, and like you I'm looking in YouTube always some new tutorials from another painters. Thank you so much for everybody who do this, and let's check how is it. Usually you must take from one side one color, from another second colors. I'm use pink and white and blending. And like you see, I'm turn my brush. I do from left side and right side, left side and right side. It can be better blending, like you see. And to be honest, I wait your opinion because it's my first paintings. I never paint. I'm very well feel in round brush, but with flat brush I'm do this first time, and I'm a little bit afraid. Like you can be say, oh my god, it's so bad. But I'm ready for these comments, and I will be so happy if you can give me some advice. I want to talk a little bit about my feelings, because you know, when you feel very comfortable and good with round brush, you take a flat brush, and in this way I feel like you know, when you paint first time and you think, oh my god, it's not so good, but I understand you must training, and you will feel colors, you will feel brush. And second, what is it? I understand it's much faster than with round brush. It's totally different looking, but very fast. I can say yes. If you need to paint like body art or very quick something, flat brush it's the best. Because with round brush, you remember, like I do every time, you must take new colors. It take a lot times. And second, what I like really, because you don't need to prepare colors before. Like you remember, for my paintings you must blending water or medium with colors. Here you don't need, you just blend on your palette, it's enough. This is cool, just for fast paintings it's the best. Here you know you can paint in the same flower 2 times. You can make your stroke 2 times in the same place, because colors of course not enough on black background, and you can do the second times, third times, just when you will be happy from this bright color. If you want to know which acrylic I'm using, I have video I did special for you, because long time everybody asked me which acrylic colors do you use, which acrylic colors do you use. I have video about my materials, about my round brush. Sorry about flat, I don't have, because just starting, and I'm looking a lot video about another painters with flat brush. And like you see, I'm do second time stroke on the same place, because I want more bright. I want to have pink, real pink, and white, very white. It looks much better. Wow. Be honest, it's not difficult technique, and these flowers it's very simple. I think you can do the same very easy for all paintings, including leaves. I paint maybe this like 1 hour. And what is it cool with one stroke technique? It's how looks palette. It's very nice. I like it. Look how beautiful. And now I'm using my cat brush. You can use any small brush to make inside shadow. Yes, just a little bit decoration. You can use dark red or violet or blue, just your fantasy. You want to say to me like, hey, have to do, you promised to do video. Yes, I remember, I will do video how to do brush from cat just a little bit later, because a girl who want to help me with this, she a little bit busy. We make each flower inside. Yes, some decoration. And now leaves. With leaves I had trouble, to be honest. It was very difficult, but I think next time it can be much better. Difficult to change in my brain, like I have in the same level two colors, because usually in my brain, yes, I have first colors, it's light, for example, and after I have dark. I mean, this is difficult for my brain, for blonde brain. And I want to say thank you so much for my followers. We have more than 5,000 people follow my page. It's incredible. I wasn't thinking so many people interested in my art. Thank you. Big thank you. And I will be so happy to receive from you a nice comment. You can make don't nice, like I told you. Today you can do everything what you want, because I know I'm paint and I want to know my mistake. And don't forget to put me like, subscribe my channel, welcome to my Instagram and Facebook. In Facebook, very cool, because you can share my video with your friends, and it can be nice too. This time I did with flat brush cherry tree, and next time I will show you how to paint cherry tree with a round brush. And wait your comments. Thank you for your advice. It will be very important for me, because I don't have with who to share this, and somebody can help me with learn to this technique. And see you next time. Very happy to have 5,000. I hope soon it will be 6, 10 and more.